Yo everyone, this is Kirk Roldan from Kirk Roldan Advanced Digital Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to share with you what's the number one issue you are getting when your website is not indexed on Google. Let's imagine you have a really nice website like this. You have thousands of traffic from your homepage or even millions, and then one of your pages don't have any traffic or don't have any value. It's wasting a lot of resources. Supposed to be you can get more traction from that page. However, since it's not indexed, it's useless. Or let's say, for example, you have a really nice website like this and then you're expecting results. Like you do Facebook ads or you do Google ads or even you do SEO for years now. However, your website is not visible on Google. It's frustrating, right? Because you're supposed to get a lot of traffic, or today is your launching and you do SEO for a year now, and then there's no result, there's no traffic, there's nothing going on here because even your website is fully optimized in SEO. It's useless because you are invisible from the Google's eyes. So today, that's what I'm going to discuss to you. What you can do if you want to check your website if they are indexed or not, just copy the URL like this and then use this site and then your website URL. So site colon and then your website URL. If you see this one, meaning they are all indexed to Google. All these pages from my website, kirkroldanseo.com, are indexed. Now, if you have a blog or content or a page there that is sitting for a year, however, it's not indexed, then that's an issue. And you're expecting for something, however, it's not indexed, so it's a problem. Now, there's something you can do to fix that. But here, this is indexed. Now, let's find a non-indexed page or blog because I have a blog here that is ready for you, so I can also show it to you guys what it looks like. So, for example, this one, I will add this. See that one? See the difference? So meaning it's not indexed properly on Google. This is what I'm trying to say to you. You have a really nice page, really nice website, designs, perfect and everything, but it's invisible, so it's useless. But there's something you can do to index this website, and this is what I'm going to share with you right now. First, it's discovered, but it's currently not indexed. So Google knows the URL exists, however, it's not crawled yet. There are common causes with this one. For example, the page is new, the website has a weak internal linking, and a lot more. Second, it's crawled but currently not indexed. Another example here is thin or incomplete content. It also has a 404 content. It also has a poor search intent alignment, weak overall website quality. So those are the issues. And another reason is excluded, meaning there are tags there that is no index. No index meaning it's not indexed on Google. So fix, you need to remove the no index tag because that is no follow. So meaning Google won't follow that. So meaning you can change the no index to index. No? Want more leads from Google? Go to kirkroldanseo.com. I'll find what's holding you back and develop a custom strategy for free. And another reason, it's blocked by robots.txt. URL or website or even that page is blocked by robots.txt, or maybe you have a duplicate content, or maybe Google chose a different canonical tags, or maybe the website is 404. These are the issues why your website is not properly indexed on Google. But there's a fix with that, and that's what I'm going to discuss it right now. First solution, you need to make sure the page is publicly accessible. It's public, okay? Not private. Not show a 404. There's no 404 there. There's no server error or any redirect loop that's happening. Second, you can also remove any no index directive. Remove that and change it to index. You can do it on WordPress. So if you are using WordPress, you can go to your website. Let me log in here. All right. You can go to settings. Okay. And then go to reading. Once you are here in the reading, make sure it's unticked. Okay, if you tick this one or you click this one, you discourage search engine from indexing this website, and it's a frustration. Okay, that's how you can do it. You can also do not block the page in robots.txt, and you can also use the correct canonical tag. And there's also a fix there that you can do to do it manually index, and I'm also going to share that to you. But additionally, you can add internal links to that page, no? Because sometimes it fixed by adding internal links. So for example, you can link your page or that page to the home page, to the main service page, to the location page, or to the blog post. No? Make sure as well you are using high quality original content that not copied from other website or chat or use AI duplicated content. If you tried everything or if there's nothing going on after you did that, then here's what you can do. So we need to go to Google Search Console. Okay, so here in your Google Search Console, I'm already here and I just need to add that exact URL. As you see, this URL is not on Google. So that's what we see earlier when I do this. Okay, it's not there. Now, what I can do is to request indexing. That's it. That's all I do after trying everything I shared with you earlier and still nothing is going on. You can also do request indexing and you need to wait for this to load and then hopefully your website will get fixed. But this is how I do it, and that's for sure. It will also help you index a page. All right, we already requested for indexing and this is the result now. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.